In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view website traffic on Google Analytics. Understanding your website traffic is crucial for gaining insights into your audience's behavior, which can help you make informed decisions to optimize your site. Let's dive in and get started with this simple step-by-step guide. First, we're heading over to the Google Analytics homepage. You can easily find it by doing a quick online search or going to the Analytics Tools and Solutions section of Google's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign into Analytics button and click on it. This will prompt you to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your website's analytics data. If you don't have access, you might need to contact your team's administrator to get the necessary permissions. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. This page offers a high-level overview of your data, but to delve deeper, we'll navigate further. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation panel. Here, click on the Reports tab. This section contains more detailed data and reports about your website's performance. Within the Report section, you'll want to locate and click on Acquisition. This is the area where you can discover how users are finding your site, whether it's through search engines, direct visits, social media, or other referring sites. Once inside the acquisition area, one of the most insightful reports to check is the Traffic Acquisition Report. This report breaks down the different channels through which users arrive on your site, providing a detailed analysis of where your traffic originates. By exploring this data, you can see which channels are driving the most traffic and potentially invest more resources in those areas. As you explore these sections, take note of any patterns or trends. For instance, you might find that a lot of traffic is coming from social media, prompting you to enhance your social media marketing efforts. Alternatively, you might see a significant portion of traffic coming from organic search, indicating strong SEO performance. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to understanding your website traffic through Google Analytics. By regularly monitoring this data, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance and better engage your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time exploring the different sections and reports available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you'd like to see more content like this. Happy analyzing!